We're at Lake Murray State Park in Oklahoma. This is the largest state park in Oklahoma, and it's just huge. It's beautiful. We'll be driving through the many different campgrounds in this state park, and maybe this will help you decide which campground you'd like to stay in. We're camping at Elephant Rock Campground, and what I like about it is that we can actually go swimming right behind our camper. We are parked right on the lake. This also is a very accessible campground with good roads. This is the view from the back of our camper. We have a gorgeous sunset tonight. Cedar Cove Campground is a lot like Elephant Rock Campground, except it's older and it may be a little bit more private being it's smaller. It also has campsites right along the water where you have easy access to swimming right behind your camper. Okay, all right. Tips Point is a nice campground with a lot of sites right on the water. Many of them have your front door or patio area facing directly towards the water. Duke's Forest Campground is an older campground mostly used for group camping, but in the overflow season they will open the campground for individual campers. This is the north boat ramp. It's very nice. Pecan Grove picnic area is for day use only. Sunset Beach is nice, but again, you can only go during the daytime. If you're enjoying this channel, please subscribe. Martin's Landing Campground has gorgeous lakeside views. There's also a beach here. What do you think of these geese? Rock Tower Campground has the old ranger office made of stone. Campers can enjoy the fishing pier as well. Murray Harbor Marina is a private marina. I feel like Marietta Campground is one of the nicest campgrounds in the park. Here you can also camp near the lake or under the trees. Here you can see the vastness of Lake Murray. This is a perfect spot to see the marina. We didn't go to the ski jump campground, but it also is a tent campground. I highly recommend visiting the Tucker Tower and Nature Center. The tower houses a museum and it is accessible by a short trail. Buzzard's Roost Campground is best for tent camping. There's great lakeside camping here. The marina is really nice here and the beach is beautiful. Here are the cabins you can rent, but I really don't know what the inside looks like. There's a mini golf course here, and I believe that's for use by the people either renting cabins or staying in the lodge. And here you can see the lodge. There's a really nice pool area and splash pad for people who are either staying in the lodge or in the cabin. There is a chapel and I suppose they have Sunday services. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Lake Murray, and I sure would appreciate if you would subscribe to our channel.